I understand your interest in kidney health and natural remedies. However, it's important to proceed with caution when it comes to claims of reversing kidney damage. While certain herbs and lifestyle choices can support kidney health and overall well-being, they cannot reverse existing damage. This is because kidney tissue, once damaged, can be difficult to regenerate. Therefore, focusing on proactive kidney care and managing any underlying conditions is crucial for long-term kidney health. Here are some ways to support your kidneys naturally. 1. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps flush toxins out of your body and keeps your kidneys functioning properly. 2. Maintain a healthy diet. Limit processed foods, salt, and sugar, and focus on eating plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. 3. Control blood pressure and blood sugar. High blood pressure and blood sugar can damage your kidneys over time. 4. Manage stress. Chronic stress can negatively impact your overall health, including your kidneys. 5. Consider consulting a healthcare professional. If you have any concerns about your kidney health, it's important to see a doctor. They can assess your individual situation and recommend the best course of action. While some herbs may offer potential benefits for kidney health, it's important to consult a healthcare professional before incorporating them into your routine. This is especially true if you have any existing health conditions or are taking medication. Remember, there is no single magic bullet for reversing kidney damage. The best approach to kidney health is a combination of healthy lifestyle choices and appropriate medical care. I hope this information provides a more balanced and safe perspective on natural approaches to kidney health. Thanks for watching the video.